Welcome to the Princeton Community Middle School robotics class. Hello, my name is Dennis Simpson. I'm the robotics class teacher. In any other school year, the robotics class curriculum would emphasize the practical application of science and math through technology and engineering projects. However, in order to conduct class within the constraints brought on by COVID-19, our ability to construct projects at school is very limited. We will continue to cover the same units of study as in the past, such as electric circuits, robots, machines, tools, safety, sources of electricity, and electric motors. But the hands-on projects supporting these studies have been modified and will likely change as the year progresses. One major change is that the majority of hands-on projects will be constructed at home. This is to avoid students sharing tools, machines, and materials. The items every student will need at home are a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and color pencils. Instructional packets are sent home with students for each week they are learning remotely. The packets include to-do reminders, daily assignments, and project instructions. Students can also access these same materials in their Google Classroom, as well as email updates and our weekly Zoom meetings. During the week students are at school, instruction will be delivered through notes, videos, worksheets, games, and demonstrations. Study guides are provided toward the end of each unit of study, and students can expect a test on each unit, usually on Friday of the week they are at school. In addition to weekly units, we will also be studying measurement throughout the course. If you need to contact me for any reason, don't hesitate to call 864-2212 or email me at dsimpson@vikingmail.org. Thank you.